Open him up.
Doors, like, the doors are fresh. 10 out of 10.
Part, this thing fits perfectly. It's beautiful.
Pretty sweet.
You like this car?
I like it a lot.
Yeah, I got it. It's been a long time coming. I got it by myself. I appreciate the help along the way by myself, but I got it. When niggas hated on me, I got it by myself. When niggas skated on me, I did it by myself. Ain't had no patience for me, I waited by myself. Now I don't need no help, I did it by myself. I got it by myself, I got it by myself.
Alright guys, before we get into this video, Happy New Year's to you guys. And without further ado, we have the side skirt for a GT500. If you want this part, you can go onto Extreme Online Store and you can get this part for your Mustang. I believe it's 2015 to 2017 if I'm not mistaken. But you can get this part on their website. Check it out. I'm about to give you guys on how it looks. They don't have things for just Mustangs. They got for different, like, oh, they got Teslas, Dodge. They have, you guys just gotta go check it out. Link is gonna be in the description down below. This is going to be going on a 2016 Mustang Ecoboost, which is getting a whole full conversion. Okay, so with that being said, right now the car has Lambo doors on it. It has a black chrome wrap with a satin, I believe it's a satin wrap. It's like a half and half. And the spoiler, as you guys can see, that sits high up. That is all going to be changed to the GT500 with Extreme Online Store parts. So you guys will get a before and after of how it looks before Extreme Online Store parts and after the Extreme Online Store parts. So like I said, you guys, make sure you check them out. All my car people, if you're just starting to build, check out the website. They have different options. They have different options for you guys. So right now, I'm about to go ahead and unbox this for you guys with my special guest, ZoTV.tv. If you guys do have a TikTok, make sure you guys follow him. He's approaching 40K followers. So make sure you guys go check that out because you will be seeing that conversion a lot on TikTok as well from Extreme Online Store parts. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. What are the YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, you guys, man. It's your boy Trey V.
It's your boy Zo Smith, man.
So right now, you guys, shout out to Extreme Online Store for sending us this product. So if you guys do have a
Mustang, anywhere between 2015, 2017 year model, that will basically just be your S550s. Right here, what do we have here, Trey?
This is the side skirt for the GT500 Conversion.
All right, so this will fit all 2015 and 2017 models, EcoBoost, your V6, and including your 5.0s, okay?
So as you guys can probably see right now as we're talking, this is going to be the vehicle that we're going to be conversion into the GT500. So right now he has the regular
I have an EcoBoost Mustang.
EcoBoost. So if you guys do have an EcoBoost Mustang and you want that GT500 conversion, make sure you guys go check out Extreme Online Stores. They have everything that you need to do that GT500 conversion. They got the spoiler, the side skirt, the front clip, and the fenders as well. So let's go ahead and just get into this unboxing video. So let's go ahead and get into it. Open him up.
Take all this to remove one.
So these, I believe, are the side skirts for the GT500 conversion. So the next video you guys will see is the spoiler for the GT500. You're going to see an unboxing of that as well. We'll go ahead and just open them up.
Yeah.
All right. So right now, so right now we're going to probably just open up one because we still got to wait on the spoiler and the front clip. So that way we can do the whole conversion in one take for you guys. So I'm about to go ahead and open this up so we can show you guys what it looks like. Okay. Oh, it goes up and down. Yep.
Oh, wait. That's gotta be dirty.
assuming this is
This will be the front end here.
That's the front or the back?
That's the front end, I do believe. We shall find out when we get outside to the car.
All right, so right now I'm gonna take this out to the car so you guys can see how it looks.
All right, you guys, so right now we're outside with the vehicle. This here is the 2016 Ford Mustang Ecoboost that we are going to be putting the GT500 Conversion kit on. So we're just gonna line it up here so we can give you guys a demonstration of how this is gonna look so far.
So this is Extreme Online Store part. This thing fits perfectly. It's beautiful. What's your thoughts on it?
I think it's gonna look really good once it's once we actually get it down here onto the vehicle.
Okay.
It's gonna be crazy, most definitely.
So especially when you put that spoiler on there.
Yes, most definitely, because you know how bad I get talked about my spoiler that's currently on here.
So you guys, as you can see, we're not gonna install this as of yet because we still gotta wait on the spoiler, and then we still gotta wait on the GT500 front clip bumper. So if you guys do want to see this build and you guys do want to see this whole transformation, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And also he will be posting this car a lot on TikTok. Okay, you guys, so you guys will see this whole transformation, and his channel as well as ZoTV.tv.
Correct.
Link is going to be in the description, you guys. So right now this is just the base model Ecoboost. So he's going to be taking this spoiler off, putting Extreme Online Store spoiler on there, and this is their part as well. As you guys can see, this is the regular Ecoboost front end car.
Yeah.
You guys ready? You're going to see a big transformation on this car.
The doors are fresh. 10 out of 10. Yeah.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
I like it.
You like it?
No, 10.5. 10.5.
10.5?
Yes. I'll give you like.
They said a 10.5, so.
Yeah.
So you guys can see, man, look, make sure you guys go to Extreme Online Store and get your parts.
Pretty sweet.
You like this car?
I like it a lot. I mean, old lady stood up and took notice. This is pretty sweet.
Appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Little quick update, if you guys are wondering where the Black Panther was, I am currently working on it. So as you guys can see, I am installing underglow light on the Black Panther. So as you guys can see, it got the rainbow effect. All right, you guys, so without further ado, man, I hope you guys do enjoy your new year. Stay blessed, stay positive, and first and foremost, enjoy your build. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Take your time, do it right, and you will be grateful. Without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.